Hi, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan Fouché. Thanks so much for watching. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make some money doing voiceovers on Fiverr by utilizing what's called quick responses in Fiverr to bolster your 5-star rating and make more money. Here we go. All right, so here I am in Fiverr, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick response. This is a quick little video on how to make a quick response. It's actually really easy in Fiverr, and I totally recommend you utilizing this because it will really help you bolster your 5-star reviews. So to create a quick response, all you do is down here, right here, you'll see in green, Add New, a little plus sign. You just click the Add New. And let's say that you want this quick response to be, thank you for your business. So I give it a title. The name of my quick response is thank you for your business. Maybe this is like something that you send at the very end of your order after it's been approved, and you just want to tell your client thank you for your business. And then you just type in your quick response like, hi. And if you want to use their username, you just use the little bracket. You just type in username, close bracket, exclamation point or comma or whatever. Hi, username, and that'll just be, so their username will show up. Thanks so much for hiring me to record your voiceover. I really enjoyed collaborating. I can't spell. With you on this project. Please keep me in mind for future work. All the best, Susan. And that's it. And so like I would just send this out maybe like at the end, or you could just put it whatever you wanted to. And then what I do is I simply save it. Now, here's where it ended up. It ended up here at the bottom. I can, if like, let's say I want to move it up here, I can move it up like in to like make a higher ranking. And if you ever want to edit it, you just click on the little chevron to the right, click on edit, and you can change it however you want. I'm gonna get a comma instead of a exclamation point, and then save it. If you do want to delete it, you can just click on the little chevron delete, and if you want to duplicate it, you can duplicate it as well. Be sure to utilize these quick responses that Fiverr makes for you. I mean, the platform Fiverr makes it so easy to make money doing voiceover work. I mean, I just can't tell you how much Fiverr has helped me in my business. And I think it will really help you in your business too if you utilize all these wonderful little things that Fiverr offers you, especially the quick responses. It will bolster your 5-star rating for the communication portion of that, which is really important. And it will just also help you, I think, to retain your clients. So if you are interested in seriously making some money on Fiverr and you want to take an online course, and specifically for voiceover, doing voiceover work on Fiverr, in the description, I have a link to an online course that I took myself, and I 100% stand behind this course. It is made by my friend Anthony Pica, and the name of the course is How to Make $20,000 on Fiverr. And I guarantee you, if you invest in this course, it's a small investment, you will make $20,000 on Fiverr. I promise you, if you do the steps and you follow the advice and you Watch some other YouTube videos. You can make some money on Fiverr, I promise. So, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. See you next time.